What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TRKA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the upside, which brought us about 17% of potential profit. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what type of news we should anticipate in order to see the trend continuation. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that you have to accumulate, your position all the way down to this yellow line. And this yellow line, it is the range of support from the previous price action. We had double bottom pattern. We had basically two touches of this range from March 23rd and from February the 10th. And we had a very good probability to see the reaction, because from this swing high, we've already formed a 5-wave structure on a bigger scale. And the latest wave, as you can see, it also had 1, 2, 3, 4, and we were approaching to the level where this 5th wave should be ended. And it happened. And I also told you that if it is the case and if we complete the entire movement to the downside, we have to see a bounce, at least a bounce, that should unload this structure from this top to this bottom, and we have to hit this target. It is a $0.2 mark, 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. And let me show you my previous video. As you can see, here is the title of this video, TRKA stock to $0.2, and we had an opportunity to receive about 15.85% of potential profit. So it happened exactly as I predicted. That is why, if you like my video and want to see more this type of predictions, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and just wait for the next update. So, and what was the reason of this spike? I have to say that I didn't find any news that might be the driver of this spike. In general, I've told you on my previous video that with the lack of news, we cannot anticipate any movements of this asset to the upside. But from the technical standpoint, we had this opportunity, and basically it happened. On top of that, let me show you that right now, this ticker symbol is still on the 4th place, is still on the top 10 on the most active section of stocktweets.com website. Let's take a look on the watchers section. No, we don't have this ticker symbol on the watchers section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means probably it is losing its momentum, slightly losing its momentum right after this massive spike in its price. So let me show you that in general, if we would take a look on the list of institutional investors, we have more filings in the green rows. This means these companies entered or opened completely new position on this asset, and we have an advisor group holdings that opened a position of about $70,000, and BlackRock that opened $1.8 million long position. And I have to say that you cannot rely on this buys as the signal to buy the same exact asset, but it shows you the sentiment of the market and the sentiment from institutional investors. So, and what might be the next news that will drive for the price of this asset? Let me show you this article. It was published on May the 12th, and it's titled Troika Media Group stock, is TRKA a good bargain or a value trap? And I want to pay attention on just 3 bullets. Troika Media stock price has been a steep sell-off in the past few months. The company will publish its financial results on May 23rd. While the trend is bearish, a short squeeze cannot be ruled out. And I will put the link on this article in the description below, and you can read it and make your own conclusion, but I want to pay your attention only on the second bullet point. It is their financial report, and let me show you that right here we also have this date, Tuesday, May 23rd, as the potential release of their Q1 earnings report. And if it happens, And if the results might be quite good, and if during this consolidation phase it will not hit higher targets, definitely the deadline of May 23rd might be the trigger to hit higher targets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely right now we already booked about 16% of potential profit, and if you are still in position and if you want to try to catch more benefits out of this price action, you can put your stop loss order on a green territory with anticipation that it is the real bottom, medium-term bottom for entire price action, and you might book in worst case scenario 6% of potential profit. So you will be in a green territory no matter what. But if this asset will go higher, definitely it will bring you more profit in the short-term perspective. And I have to say that I have a lot of doubts that in the long-term perspective we might see some amazing data from their earnings report, because previously they already disclosed quite lucrative data, and without any updates and with the unpredictable dilution that happened right after previous earnings report, definitely this price action might be to the downside. And if it is the case, let me show you that in general, if we connect, let me show you right here, if we connect these several, basically from this point, these several tops, as you can see, we already hit this range of resistance, and we have 1, 2, 3, and we don't have the touch of this range right here, but fourth touch right here. And this is in general, this is a bearish, quite bearish setup. And let's try to project this range to the bottom side. No, it's quite difficult to assume where might be the lower board of this channel, if any. And that is why I think we are forming some kind of descending triangle. And unfortunately, this type of patterns usually break to the downside. That is why, in my opinion, it is quite risky to hold your position right here. If you are in green, the better choice for you is to book your profit and wait for the confirmation. And the next potential confirmation of new uptrend will be a breakout above this range of resistance. And this breakout should happen with the conviction of volume. We have to see the volume that is even higher than this spike. And if it happens, we might anticipate the beginning of new uptrend. Probably it might be the first wave, consolidation into the second. Then the third wave should break it to the upside. Then retracement to the fourth one, and we have to complete the fifth wave. But this 1-2 price action, 1-2 waves price action might be very tricky, because on the bear side we might see the A wave to the upside, B wave to the downside, and C wave to the upside. And this might also be a valid count, but from this top somewhere here we have to see the rollover, and this rollover should break this bottom. So far probably we might see next leg to the upside, but in my opinion this range should hold, and we might see a failed wave. We might see the range of resistance right here at roughly 21.22 cents. And the next range of resistance might be at 22 cents per price point. And if it is the case, for now it is too risky to enter your long position, because we have to see more price action, more consolidation phase, and we have to take a closer look on the structure of this consolidation. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up.